What's up, guys? My name is Keelan, and today we are gonna unbox an unbelievable pair of sunglasses. Let's get into this. What I've got here is they are amazing sunglasses. These things are called Dubery. Dubery. These things look pretty dang sweet, I gotta admit, from what I've seen. But Dubery, the nice logo. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But on the top it has all these different icons, which is like climbing, tennis, skiing, bike, sailing, camping, shooting, fishing, golfing, driving. So I have all those icons. I'm guessing that's they're demonstrating what it actually could be used for. Open it up from the side. Case is black. It is kind of that hard plastic with I think it's nylon over it. And then this middle thing is actually metal or aluminum. That's pretty cool. And then on the side it has this weird looking capsule thing. It almost looks like a pen. See that? I'm thinking it's a tool. Oh yeah. There's like a wrench on top. And I think, yeah. Yes, screwdriver on this side. And then the other side is a flathead. So you got a flathead and a screwdriver just for fixing this in case it breaks or something, or a screw comes loose. The first thing you see is a cleaning cloth and a case inside of a case. This is a soft shell case. This is a hard shell, so you got both of them for both options. So you got your cleaning cloth. Nice logo on there. And that's basically all that's in the case. Wow. They take a lot to protect these things. They got one more cover on this besides the soft and the hard shell. And from the back, that is pretty dang cool. Even from right there. Wow. Look at that lens. It's a greenish bluish tint on the inside. These sunglasses, they are polarized. Polarized means that they are better than normal sunglasses. They can withstand more UV light inside the lens. They feel very sturdy, like they're not gonna break. The brackets inside, they look pretty good. They're bigger than normal brackets. And they have metal pieces right here. It's also metal. Wow. Look at these. These are nice. Surprisingly, it does not have a green tint. It actually has a purple tint. See that? It's all purple. Yeah, you can actually look at these lights. See the difference? It's like a purple haze. But it's darker on camera. It's way darker on camera. We're gonna put the shades through it. Now you can actually see the lettering. You can actually see the lettering on them. Let it adjust. This is what you see. And then it slowly adjusts to the polarized. So you can look at light bulbs put these things on. Alright, outside. It does pretty good on outside. It blocks all the glares and stuff. A little bit. But you cannot stare at the sun. Not just directly at the sun. So you can probably look over here and stuff. Like right here. But you cannot look at the sun. See? Yeah, it's still pretty bright. I would definitely go with these ones. You can't go wrong. They're polarized, they're green, they make everything purple. These things are only $20. Why buy Oakleys? Why buy Ray-Bans when you can just buy these? These things are amazing. And if you don't like the green, you can also get it in a variety of different colors. I like the green. You can go straight black if you want. Exact replica of this, but except blue. You get red, you get red lens, there's a camo red, I think. These are not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for this. These are awesome sunglasses. I would definitely go with these ones. If you're looking for a pair of sunglasses, definitely go with the Dubeys. Right there, Dubery. Because not only do you get the sunglasses, you get the case, you get the tool, you get a cleaning cloth, and a soft bag for it. A 9 out of 10. The one is because when you look at phone screens, it kind of makes it like a rainbow effect. Most sunglasses that have polarized lens do a rainbow effect. Even this screen on the camera is kind of rainbowish, but that's normal for polarized glasses. So that would be the only one thing. And go check these out. I will link a description in the link. I'll leave a link in the description, and you can check these out. These are awesome. And as always, thank you for watching. Hope you like this. Hit that like button. Share the video with anyone you want. Check these out if you want to. Link in bio. And think positive, stay happy, and later.